Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive error could not connect to the server on App Store, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just I will show to you. If I open App Store, so just tap on App Store, just choose Quick App Store and just open it again. So this is the first thing you need to check. Another thing you need to check is to check your internet connection. So just go here and just check if you are successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network, and also you have good internet access. So just you can also turn it off and turn on again. If you have another Wi-Fi network, just try to connect to another Wi-Fi network, or you can also try to restart your Wi-Fi router. And also another thing you can also try is just sign out from your account from App Store and just sign in again. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to restart your Mac. So just tap here on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.